What's going on, YouTube? This video I'm going to show you how you can save a bunch of money by not buying filters for your aquarium filter. Alright, my secret is Poly-fil. I stopped buying filters for my aquarium filters probably, I don't know, three and a half years ago. I switched to using this and it works even better. I'll shoot you a clip when I'm cleaning my filter to show you how much it actually it catches. I believe this actually works a lot better, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper. This bag costs like $7, and a pack like of 3 or 5 of those is $20. This will last me probably a year and a half, 2 years. All right, got my filter off. Now this has been in here about 2-3 weeks. Like I said, this works just as good, if not better. Just stuff it back behind the filter, whatever this is, that holds the name brand filter. Look at that. It's disgusting. But that catches a lot more than those name brand filters. You have a lot more filter surface space, and like I said, that bag lasts a lot longer for your money. I'll clip back to installing this so you can see how I put it in here, and we'll put a filter back on. Alright. I'm just going to reinstall the filter catch. And you just take it out, and you just literally just shove it right behind you. Pack it in. Got the filter put back in place. We're going to turn it on. I'll show you how the water goes right through it just fine. No issues. There you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something today as far as saving some money for your fish aquarium filter. Please like, share, subscribe, comment below on other content you'd like to see. Have a good day.